Ever wondered if your wallet might be harboring more than old receipts and loose change? Believe it or not, the average American has over $100 in unused gift cards just gathering dust. Today, we dive into your personal finance toolkit, your wallet, and reveal how you can unlock these hidden treasures. So, buckle up as we transform overlooked items into cash and rewards right from your image in your wallet as a mini archive of your financial journey. It's not just a container for cash and cards, but a repository of forgotten assets. Inside, you might find a ticket stub from a concert that rocked your summer, loyalty cards from your favorite coffee shop, and business cards from connections that could open doors. Each of these items holds memories and, more importantly, untapped financial potential. Think about it, every receipt could be a lead on getting money back through price adjustments if an item you purchased has since gone on sale. Those faded loyalty cards, they're not just taking up space. They could be your key to free meals or services, accumulating points every time you visit. And let's not forget those gift cards. They might just be the unsung heroes of your next shopping spree. Imagine your wallet as a mini archive of your financial journey. Not just a holder for cash and cards, but a treasure trove of forgotten assets. Inside, you might find a ticket stub from a summer concert that still echoes in your memory. Loyalty cards from your daily coffee runs, promising more than just caffeine. And business cards from potential connections gathered along your career path. Each item isn't merely stashed away. It's a key to untapped financial potential, woven with personal stories. Think about it, each receipt tucked between the folds might be more than a forgotten transaction. It could be a golden ticket to savings through price adjustments, if the items you've purchased have dropped in price since. Those faded loyalty cards stuffed in the back, they're not just taking up space. They're potential free meals, upgrades, or exclusive services, quietly accumulating value every time you swipe. And those overlooked gift cards gathering dust in a drawer. They might just be the unsung heroes of your next shopping spree, ready to be redeemed to treat yourself or loved ones without touching your bank account. But the real magic happens when we start to see these everyday items for what they truly are: hidden cash. Beneath the sentimental remnants and the mundane clutter of your wallet lies a veritable goldmine of opportunities. Those crumpled receipts from your shopping sprees at major retailers, they could morph into cashback gold if you tap into the right apps. Just imagine turning those forgotten slips of paper into money, like finding buried treasure under your couch cushions. And what about those promotional coupons and vouchers you nonchalantly stuffed into a side pocket, dismissing them as mere junk mail? They could significantly slash your expenses on everything from your morning cereal to the latest smartphone. It's like having a secret discount ninja in your wallet, ready to chop those prices down at a moment's notice. Moreover, in today's digital era, the magic of your wallet extends beyond its leather boundaries. Many loyalty programs have evolved into sophisticated apps that not only track your points, but also ping you with exclusive members-only deals. It's like having a little financial advisor in your pocket, turning every purchase into an opportunity to score big savings or rewards. These digital tools ensure that your loyalty points and gift cards can be managed and redeemed with just a few taps on your phone, streamlining your savings with minimal effort. So next time you pick up your wallet, remember, it's not just a storage unit. It's a dynamic tool that could be working harder for you. Why let it sit idle when it could be actively saving you money? Let's harness the power of every receipt, card, and forgotten voucher to make your financial life not just easier, but also more rewarding. Dive into those pockets and let the treasure hunt begin. But the real magic happens when we start to see these everyday items for what they truly are: hidden cash. Beneath the surface clutter of your wallet lies a wealth of opportunities. Those crumpled receipts from major retailers. They might qualify for cashback offers or price protection claims if you register them on certain apps. And those promotional coupons and vouchers you shoved in a side pocket could significantly reduce your expenses on everything from groceries to tech gadgets. Moreover, with today's digital age, your wallet's contents extend into the virtual realm. Many loyalty programs now offer apps that track your points and notify you of special member-only deals, effectively turning every purchase into a chance at scoring big savings or rewards. These digital tools mean your loyalty points and gift cards can easily be managed and redeemed right from your phone, maximizing their utility with minimal effort. Now, armed with this knowledge, let's put it to practical use with a pinch of fun. First off, Rally all those gift cards you've been hoarding like a squirrel with nuts for the winter and check their balances. There's likely more on them than you remember. Maybe enough to fund your coffee habit for a month or splurge on that gadget you've been eyeing but couldn't justify buying. Use them up on your everyday purchases, or better yet, consolidate them into a digital wallet app to keep track and make sure. They're used before they turn into nothing more than pretty pieces of plastic. As for those loyalty cards, treat them like a game of points collection, where the high score means real rewards. Make it a habit to swipe or scan them at every opportunity. Before you know it, those points can accumulate fast and can often be redeemed for more than just minor discounts. Think free products, exclusive services, or even travel bookings. Imagine flying off to your next vacation just because you bought too many Who knew being a coffee addict could fly you to Hawaii? And don't let those receipts just sit in your wallet gathering dust and guilt over past indulgences. Make it a Sunday ritual to scan them into money-saving apps that check for price drops and offer cashback. It's like turning your receipt collection into a passive income stream. Think of it as making your money work out while you chill out. Over time, this habit alone could net you a substantial return, turning those little slips of paper into your own personal goldmine. By taking these steps, you transform what might look like ordinary wallet clutter into a powerful arsenal for saving and earning money. You're not just a savvy shopper now. You're a wallet wizard, conjuring savings out of thin air and turning everyday transactions into financial victories. Now that we've seen how to make practical use of what's hiding in plain sight within our wallets, let's bring it to life with a success story from our community. Consider the case of Mike, one of our dedicated subscribers, who really took our advice to heart. Not long ago, Mike embarked on what he called Operation Wallet Dive. During this mission, he uncovered a 2-year-old gift card tucked away behind some old receipts, a forgotten relic from a past birthday. To his surprise, it still had $50 on it. Mike used this newfound treasure to buy a new headset, leveling up his gaming setup without touching his bank account. But he didn't stop there. Inspired by his initial find, Mike also started scanning all his old receipts, a habit he picked up from our discussions about smart financial habits. This small action paid off quickly when he discovered that a gadget he had purchased 3 months prior had dropped in price. By submitting a price adjustment claim through an app we recommended, he managed to get $30 back. That's a total of $80 in savings from just a bit of sleuthing through what most would consider everyday pocket filler. Mike's story is more than just a tale of unexpected gains. It's a testament to the power of paying attention to the little things and the impact of proactive financial management. His experience shows us all that with a little effort and some strategic wallet management, those forgotten items can indeed be transformed into real financial gains. It's not just about saving money, it's about maximizing the potential of what we already have. Inspired by Mike's wallet wizardry, why not become a treasure hunter yourself? This is your chance to dive into your own financial archive and see what hidden gems you can uncover. Go ahead and pause this video right now. Yes, really. Pause it and grab your wallet. Let's turn this into a real adventure. Start your own wallet audit and explore every nook and cranny. Look for those potentially valuable items that you might have overlooked. Gift cards gathering dust, old receipts that could qualify for cashback or price adjustments, and those loyalty cards you've been neglecting. You'd be surprised what treasures you might find hidden in plain sight. Once you've completed your treasure hunt, don't keep your finds to yourself. Share your discoveries in the comments below, or better yet, snap a photo and share it on social media with the hashtag #WalletTreasureHunt. Show us what you found, tell us your story, and let us know how these tips have boosted your budget. We'd absolutely love to see your discoveries and hear how a simple dive into your wallet turned into real savings. Your story could inspire others to explore their hidden wealth, spreading the savings far and wide. Who knows? Your wallet might just be the treasure chest you never knew you had. Let's unearth those hidden valuables together and make sure to check back in to share your successes and surprises. Can't wait to see what you all find. After you've conducted your wallet audit and shared your surprising finds using the hashtag #WalletTreasureHunt, let's take a moment to reflect on a wise piece of advice from one of the greatest financial minds, Warren Buffett. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This simple yet profound statement can transform the way we manage our finances. It urges us to be more intentional with our resources, ensuring that saving isn't just an afterthought but a priority. Apply this mindset to every hidden corner of your financial life, especially starting with your wallet. It's not just a container for your cash and cards, but a goldmine of potential savings and gains waiting to be tapped. As we wrap up today's exploration of hidden treasures within your wallet, I hope you've discovered that these small items can have a big impact on your financial health. If you found value in today's deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with more content that can help you turn everyday actions into significant financial benefits. Share this video with friends and family who could also benefit from learning how to make the most of their forgotten wallet items. It might just help them find some hidden treasures of their own. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and continue on your journey to becoming a financial wizard. Remember, every little effort counts in building a more secure financial future. Until next time, happy treasure hunting, and thank you for joining me on this financial adventure.